What's going on, guys and gals? Stock here, up $673 on the day. Pretty nice day for sure. Most of it came off of news plays, but we'll go over those trades in just a moment. But while I'm thinking about it, I want to invite you all to the Discord chat that we've been running. This is absolutely free. This is it's kind of emptying out right now as we're after hours, but during the market hours, it's pretty full. It's full of a lot of really good traders, and we're in here to help each other make money. That's it. No strings attached. People calling out plays. I go over here in the voice chat room, and I uh, I call out what I see in the early morning hours and throughout the day. So please come enjoy the Discord chat, and the link for that is down in the description of this video. But on to the trades. The first trade was XGTI. Not really much on the gap scanner this morning. This was one that kind of just gapped up, kind of runaway gapping up here. Um, this is one that the chat rooms were playing. The chat rooms that I subscribe to, Ward Trading and Jason Bum Picks, or actually it's called Raging Bull now. So uh, you can see at 9:31 we had a little bit of a pullback coming out of pre-market, opened up, dropped down, and came back up. Um, I went long at basically 2:30 in the hopes that we'd break the previous candle and get going, so kind of like a red to green move. It didn't do what I thought it did or would do. We'd got the pop, we broke that, it didn't go anywhere. So as it was coming back down, watching the L2 real close, I don't like taking plays early like 9:30 anymore just because they're so unpredictable. So I had a really tight leash on this guy, and I stopped out -2. I think it was -$80 on the day on this trade, but I'm holding tight leashes on this because you never know when they could just flush out on you. So DNKN, Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' Brands. This one was a pure news play. You can kind of see nothing really going on here, and then all of a sudden, boom. So what happened here? Okay, so what happened was on the news sources I subscribe to, which is Benzinga and the Trade Exchange. Both there's links down in the description below for those two, but they both reported that a pregnant woman got E. coli from one of their restaurants. So as soon as I heard that, I came over here, went short 1,000 shares, got in at 52.63, and then right here, and then it dropped, boom, just out of nowhere, and I was able to cover at 52.16, almost at the very bottom of this move. Kind of got lucky. It did get below 52, and that would have been even a better place to cover, but then it did something stupid. So anyway, I made about, what is that, 40, 47 cents on that, $470 on that trade. And then it just decides to go high a day from there. So apparently E. coli in your food at a restaurant is a great investment. So it's just made some stupid move after that. What I was doing at the time is I kind of figured that I was looking to get short again. I think I did later on. We'll go over that, but I was like, okay, this is the move on the news. I was hopefully going to short right back around here, but when it breaks that level on the Fibonacci, then I'm thinking we're going to get squeezed. This is kind of the area up here that you're going to get short squeezed out, and then you're going to get that high day move, kind of like we had. No idea why this thing just didn't tank. If you remember correctly, Chipotle had a similar story yesterday about someone throwing up in their restaurant in Virginia. The stock plummeted. The same company that reported that story reported this story. So you got this initial drop, and Chipotle just kept going down yesterday and stayed at the lows of the day. Today, Dunkin' Donuts, people apparently like E. coli in their Dunkin' Donuts. I have no idea why this decided to go up. But anyway, I made money on the move. I think I tried to restore it, and we'll get into that. Actually, yeah, let's look at that trade right there. So 951. Okay, so came back down. It's popping back up, declining volume. All right, so it's a divergence. So it's telling me that it's going to change direction. So I went short again, actually inside this candle, around the top of the Fibonacci here. So it was kind of a smart play, I thought. I got in at 173, which was, where did I get at? No, sorry, I wasn't. What am I talking about? 152.85. So 152.85 right here, right on the Fibonacci line. Um, that it. I was looking for that break, that curl down, and we got that over here, right? It broke, but it didn't go anywhere. So when you're looking for that move to curl back down, if it breaks and doesn't go anywhere like you thought it would, I thought it was, as soon as we break this level right here, it's going to tank again. And I was just going to scalp that tank. But it broke and came right back up. And that told me, oh crap, get out. So I covered, basically break even. I think I made $2 on this trade. I only took 500 shares this time. And as soon as I covered, boom, like the freaking 53.20, 40-cent jump. It's just stupid. And then from there, it just took off. I mean, it was a dumb move in this stock. I didn't understand it, but that was my trade on this guy, and definitely got me green on the day. MYSZ, this was my next trade. This one was a 5-minute play, so we had this pop, another pop, consolidation candle. It's kind of a 5-minute setup, right? And as it was coming up to give us candle over candle, I went long, 3,000 shares at 161 right here. Got the quick pop up. I was up like 5 cents, but I was really hoping it would get going, and it just didn't go anywhere. So as it was coming back down, I covered for 1 penny, $30. So AEZS, this was a 5-minute play. This was a 5-minute setup. Kind of see the pop, consolidation, and I went candle over candle right here. That's what I was playing. I went long at 172, and we got the quick pop up to a high of 184, but inside that pop, I held it for 25 seconds, but we got basically a penny and a half, $40 out of that trade. So Dunkin' Brands, I was hoping that it would be done being stupid. So we had this crazy pop up as the shorts were getting squeezed out. Now I was looking for a candle under candle move right here. That's what I was banking on. That was what I was hoping on. So I went short as we were getting candle under candle. I went short 500 shares this time. It was being stupid, so it's not acting logically. So I went really small. So I went short 53.81. We broke this candle and it didn't go anywhere. So I was like, I need to bail. But I bailed as we were going candle over candle, basically, as it looked like it was going to go candle over candle again, and I lost $40 on the trade, 8 cents on 500 shares. So it wasn't a terrible loss, but whatever. XCO is my next trade. This one just started running out of nowhere, and I think Warrior Trading played this to the upside, and then Raging Bull played this to the downside. But halted, and then out of the halt it popped up, came back down, came back up, and right here we made a lower high, right? So that was kind of telling me that it was done going up. So broke down, a little bit of a pop up, and I thought there's no way it's going to go back up from here. So I went short inside this candle at 22 or 222. Another candle, and then boom, got the break. I covered at 210 for basically $240 on that trade. It's a good trade. It did end up going much lower, but I wasn't up. I mean, I was up on the day, but not anything to where I would crazy want to hold. And I think I didn't know what resource this company did. I didn't know if it was oil, gas, whatever. And this was around the time of the day, 10:30, where the oil and gas inventories was coming out. So I didn't really want to trade it just because I didn't know what they delved into and blah blah blah. But I made a good trade on that one, and was definitely happy with the result. All right, so finally Dunkin' Brands decided to stop being stupid, because everybody wants E. coli in their food. It went high a day. Finally, we got a breakdown to break the cycle of going up. And as we were coming back up, all right, so we made a lower high here, and I was looking for the candle under candle, and specifically to break this level right here. You can kind of see it as support. But we came up, I shorted 53.81 right over. Let's see, where are we? Time frame right in here. 53.81 is where I shorted. Kind of hung out here for a little bit. This one I kind of just walked away. I actually set a stop loss. The volume kind of was drying up, so I wasn't really scared of this thing popping crazy, but I did set a stop loss. I think it was right at 54. I said if it breaks this level right here, then it's going back up. I just don't want anything to do with it. But I only took 500 shares, so even if it went up, I'd be out $100, which, at this point in the day, I can afford. So anyway, I actually walked away from this one, and it proceeded to head down. And as we got this pop or this drop down here, 39. I missed this drop by 1 minute. Of course I did. But we got a drop through here, and I covered for, what is that? 18 cents. 18-cent win, just shy of, $100 on five. I think it was 80 bucks. So, nice win there for sure. NUAN was a news play. This one was released by Bloomberg. They said that the company they apparently had some kind of bug in their system, and it's from a couple months ago, and companies that use their product still can't use it properly, and it was just a negative thing on Bloomberg, which I heard the news right inside this candle, and apparently it was out a couple minutes beforehand. So I shorted when I heard it at 17.50, looking for that break of 50 cents. We got it, but it didn't go anywhere. It just gave us 3 cents there, and it started moving back up. So as it was moving back up, I covered for a penny win, 10 bucks, probably $5 after commission, so whatever. ZN, this one was just kind of going crazy towards the end of the day, just kind of all over the place. But this run up was nice. I was really thinking, okay, if we can get over $5, you can kind of see on the daily chart here. If we can get over $5, this candle right here, there's a huge gap up to $6 that would be nice. I think we just ran out of time on the day, but I tried to go long on it, and I lost a penny, $10, whatever. Not a big trade at all, but it brought me down, $10 or something like that. So that's all my trades for today. I am watching ZN tomorrow specifically, just off the top of my head, for this level right here, this break right here. And if we can get over that with some volume, boom, might break 6. Another one I'm watching is MYO. Huge pop, consolidation area, pop here. This is because of Jason Bond and Raging Bull right here, and now it's kind of sold off, and $10 was strong support. So I'm waiting for a candle over candle on the daily to kind of maybe go long for a play there. So those are the stocks I'm watching tomorrow. Again, if you have any questions about the chat rooms I've subscribed to or the news sources, send me a message. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Also, come on over into the Discord. I'm here to answer questions whenever I'm on. There is no stupid question. I'm here to help new traders, intermediate traders, and if you're an experienced trader, we'd love to have you calling out shots. So come on Discord. Link for that is down in the description below. All right, I will see you in the next video.